Speaker sir, thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak. Speaker sir, firstly I appreciate and thank Honorable Chief Minister for working towards upliftment of minorities on par with SC/STs, especially in the education sector. There are few things I would like to bring to your notice and to the notice of the Honorable Minister for Minorities also. Especially during last year, during the Corona pandemic, many students have not taken admissions in the universities abroad because of the lockdown in countries all over the world. I request the Honorable Minister, in the last year budget, whatever amount was allotted for the overseas education, that amount should be utilized this year also, last year's amount and plus this year's amount, so that we can help students also. Another thing, I would like to request Minister Garu that many applications were getting pending due to technical reasons. What is happening is, the inquiry officer is DMWO, District Minority Welfare Officer for minority students. And he is delaying the files and he is not signing the files at a proper time, and they are not getting money on time, and the students are going to banks and other finances. When the government is doing such a good scheme, even officers should also take initiative regarding it and expedite the applications as soon as possible and disburse the amount. One thing. Secondly, I appreciate the work of Honorable Chief Minister and also for allotting 1600 crores for the minorities in this budget. During this Corona pandemic also, I appreciate the initiatives of Honorable CM. And another one small thing I would like to request. The scheme taken by our Honorable Chief Minister, even the other states are taking this scheme as inspiration. In West Bengal election, now few political parties, the TMC party has mentioned in their manifesto regarding the overseas education scheme. So it's a very good scheme. I appreciate it, and I thank the Honorable Chief Minister also. Thank you so much.
Brilliance, sculptured by teachers, polished to perfection.
If opportunity does not knock, I will build a door.
To us, success comes in cans, not in can'ts.
Success is falling 9 times, getting up 10.
Some people dream of success, others put their heart and soul into working for it.
Success, finding oneself.